need to save a Google Meet discussion or presentation for future reference. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Online Screen Recorder to record a Google Meet session, review the recording, and save it to your computer. Before we begin recording, let's make sure everything is ready and that everyone in the meeting is aware that the session will be recorded. Let's start recording a Google Meet meeting. First, join the Google Meet session you want to record. For this demonstration, another participant will be presenting a short slideshow about AI-powered productivity. You can then record your screen while the meeting or presentation is ongoing. Next, let's choose the recording sources you'll need for your Google Meet session. First, turn on screen to capture everything happening in the Google Meet window. If you'd like to add your own narration, comments, or explanations during the recording, go ahead and turn on the microphone. Then, enable system audio so the meeting audio, including other participants' voices and shared media, is recorded clearly. Now click the Start Recording. When the screen sharing window appears, choose the Google Meet window. Then, make sure that the Also Share Audio tab is enabled and click Share. Once sharing begins, the recorder is ready to capture the meeting. When the Stop Sharing bar pops up in your Google Meet window, it means your recording has started successfully. Now simply attend the meeting as usual, while the recorder captures the presentation and discussion. You can share your ideas or participate in the conversation without changing the way you use Google Meet. Everything on your screen, along with the selected audio sources, will be recorded automatically, so you can stay focused on the meeting instead of the recording. When the meeting ends or you've captured everything you need, click Stop Sharing. The recorder will process the recording and prepare the preview. Before downloading, play the recording to verify that both the Google Meet window and the meeting audio were captured correctly.
Hello everyone! Today we'll discuss how AI-powered tools can help improve productivity in everyday work. AI can assist with organizing tasks, summarizing lengthy documents.
If everything looks good, click Download as MP4 to save the recording to your computer. You can keep the recording for your own reference or share it only with participants who have permission to access it.
Hello everyone! Today we'll discuss how AI-powered tools can help improve productivity in everyday work. AI can assist with organizing tasks, summarizing lengthy documents, generating draft emails, and helping teams complete repetitive work more efficiently. Although AI can save time, it's still important to review its output for accuracy before using it professionally.
And that's how to record a Google Meet session using Online Screen Recorder. Always review your recording before saving or sharing it. And remember to obtain permission from all participants before recording any meeting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.